So next up, guys, got a really nice sleeper truck here. It's a 2019 Freightliner Cascadia 126. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but guys, truck coming in, I think it's got like 616,000 miles or so. You'll have all that information with the listing, but it's got Detroit DD13 diesel motor. I think it's 450 horse, 10-speed Eaton Fuller, manual transmission. 200-gallon fuel capacity, all aluminum rims. Nice clean interior. It's detailed nice in there. Heat AC, radio obviously, all those things. Air ride suspension. Rubber all looks to be in pretty good shape. This one's coming in, a local dealership took it in on trade. Sounded like the previous owner done a really good job taking care of it and was just buying a new one and replacing it. So this one does have a new motor in it. The customer bought a motor from Vander Haag's, put that motor in himself. We're going to try to get some paperwork with that, but just wanted to at least disclose it is a different motor than the motor that was originally in the truck. So I'm here with Garrett. He's going to just give you a quick demo. Starts right up there. Does have a refrigerator in the inside. I think it's like 616,000 miles, like 18,000 hours approximately. They drove it like 50 miles to get it here, guys. The guy that brought it said it drove really well. So we'll just do kind of a quick demo, forward and back. But I think you can probably buy with confidence on this one. So there's a quick demo, guys. 2019 Freightliner Cascadia 126. Good luck with auction time at Old 20 Auctions.